Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show to you how we're going to pay your PLDT billing through BPI Online App. So first and foremost, log in muna tayo. Let's log in. There we go. Once you're logged in, personally, I will be using my credit card. So I will be selecting first the account that I'm going to use to pay. If you want savings account, you can use your savings account. If you want a credit card, you can choose your credit card then. So pagdating mo doon, you just have to select pay bills. Once you click pay bills, choose pay from, and I will be using my BPI Gold Rewards card, my credit card, and pay to. I will select, you can search here the biller, pero ako personally I have my PLDT already here, so this is the account that I am going to pay. Select that, and then I will pay 1899. There you go. And then add some notes. Usually I'll just put the month and the year 2024. Then just hit, that's it. Click continue, double check, and then confirm. Security. That's it. Once we're done, please download an image copy of the paid bill and also take a screenshot, whatever screenshot or shortcut button that you have of what you have paid. So that's it, how are you going to pay your PLDT bill via BPI Online Banking.